Okay, Florida Explorer here. We're at the we're in Ridge Manor, Florida, with the Coochie State Forest, with the federal cattle pen. We're at the 26th annual Florida Cracker Cattle and Horse Sale. Yay! And we planned our trip. We're camping right around the corner in Cypress Glen, and we planned our trip around this event. We stumbled on this last year, and we just thought it was the most incredible thing. Florida is the one of the highest producing cattle producing states in the country, and so there's these types of events take place all over the state all the time. But this is unique because this is the original Spanish cattle strain that came over from Spain, obviously, in the 1500s, 16th century, and it just got away from the Spanish control or were abandoned or whatever, and just flourished in the scrub, and over the centuries have just become a staple here. And this is the bloodlines of these animals can be traced back to the original cattle that came over from Spain, and to us, I should say, that was very historic, very interesting, and obviously to the people who run this association, they obviously think it's very interesting as well. It's the Florida Cracker Cattle Association, so I want to make sure I get that right. Give them their due props. So we're gonna. It's almost over. It's got about a half an hour. They're at the cattle auctioning portion right now. They auction off the calves, the smaller ones, the young ones. And they get together from all over the state to do it. This is a big event for these people for this sort of thing. So we're gonna go take a look at the rest of it. The horses, we got the Cracker horses. These are the chutes, obviously.
Good job, Tom.
No, you go ahead, man. You're on YouTube now, bro. You're on YouTube. I hope you're not wanted in any states or anything. Here's the littler ones. We saw some bigger ones earlier. These have barely any horns. I don't know what the terminology for them is, but these are obviously the smaller ones. There's all these pins. They run through all these chutes and stuff.
I want to ride in that new groove.
There's a bigger one. It's not fully grown. We saw fully grown down the way, but.
I told him I'd marry him for a dually. She might crazy. Hey, Slim. Blame me something. That's my plan.
All right, block number 34, and you can partner back told you here. Somebody asked me about a red and white bull, so I left this gap intact. Somebody needs a red and white bull, there he is. I like round one with the red bull right myself.
That's like the difference in me and Steven. I'm flashy and he's not.
Yeah. Hey, but you give me a lesson. You call that color Ori. All right. It's the original old Spanish color. That's the original old Spanish color right there, according to Mr. Davis. This backup of him telling me he's right, so I guarantee he's right. He said he was. You don't say that wrong.
All right, boys and girls, 500 walk. 500 ought to be 500. thank you, now 6. Again, 6, somebody want to give it down, 6, 5, 6, 5, 550, now 6. 550, now 6. You got 6, now 50. 650, now 7. 650, now 7. 7, now 50. 50, now 700, now 50. 700, now 50. 700, now 50. Thank you, 750. 800. 750, now 800. All through. Anybody swear, anybody I got 750 and I'm on 8. All through, all done. I have. So, 750, buyer number 9 takes 37. So let's say you another one now, boys and girls.
We're going to say it red and white one now.
Come on, kiddies.
Ready? Okay.
Finish.
Got it? 18?
This is more your same cattle with the Gucci herd right here.
Yeah, we'll get it.
My left hand tack for y'all full prospect if you need them.
Coming
30
to you.
is the black one, 31 is the brown one, and
You guys from Sumter?
29 is the red one.
You know Derek Erskine?
Where'd you get 29?
You ever hear of Derek Erskine?
There. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's on the page earlier in your catalog.
All right, boys and girls, your choice. 500 walk. 500 now. 6. Anybody want to 6? When you give it down, nobody give it down. 6. When you give it 6, anybody give it down, nobody give it down, nobody give it down to get 550 one time. 600. 650. 700. 750. 750. Your choice. 800. 800. Now 850. When you give 850, when you give it down to 50, when you get to 50, anybody give it down to 50, when you get to 50, when you give 850. 800 now 50 all through all that. I have. Line number 18 gets. Takes them all. Line number 18 takes them all.
Line number 18 takes them all. 18. 3 of them.
Bring them.
Bring them. Ready? All right. We're ready then. Back up. Here they come.
Here they come, Jose.
32, 33, and nothing else. Now 6, get 550 one time. 550, now 6. 6, now 650. 700, now 50. 750, now 800. 800 bid to buy, I'm giving out 8, but 800 now 50. 800 now 50. 800 now 50. All through, all done. Sold same way, 800. Takes the black one, leaves the hiding.
18. Number 32.
Say you 33. You tell me, 500 walk.
Go, Billy Davis. Go, Billy Davis. Don't spoil him now. Don't spoil him.
500, anybody want them to 5, but give it down, nobody give it down. Thank you, 500, now 50, 500 to bid, 50 to buy. Anybody want them to 50, but give it down, nobody give it down to 50. You want me to 50, but give it 50? What are you thinking? You want to do 550? He said yes. Give 600. 550, now 600, now 650, sir. 650. All through, all done. 550 is the bid, 650, 600. What is the bid? 600 is the bid, 650 to buy, all through, all done. Sold them. Same way, buyer number 18, 600.
Thank you, Brandon.
Okay, here it
Don't
comes.
have number 36 still in the ring, still to come. 36 is, and some back on the other page, on page 6.
35, 36, and
Pardon me.
No, you're fine, sorry.
28 in your catalog, 36, 35 is white fighting.
Hey, down, give it on down there to 500 walk. 500 down 6. Anybody want the 6? Give it down, give it down 6. You want the 6? Give it 6. Anybody give it down, give it down, give it down, give 550. 550. Anybody where we give it down? 500, you want 50. 50 now 6. Got 50 now 6. Now 650. 650. Thank you. Now 7. Give 7. Now 50. Give 50. Give 750. 750. Now 800. 800 now 9. Give it 9. Give it 9. Anybody where we give it down 9? Give it down 9. 859, 859, all through all that I have. So my number 18, and he takes the 2 black ones. And it's 28 and 36. That's still number 35, 500 walk. 500, thank you, now 6. Anybody where you want the 6? Give me 6.
Anyway, I just think it's pretty neat. And all these people come from all over the state to do this. And we're probably the only ones here that aren't buyers or sellers. We're just looky-loos. Florida Cracker Horse Association.
Don't bake 7 in your catalog. Let them in half. Now we're going to offer you a choice of those 3. 13. All right, you got a need.